We're back with another way to help you make money. In this video, we will show you how to make money by watching videos on YouTube. That's right, you can make money from the comfort of your home by watching, liking, and commenting on YouTube videos. Make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video to learn how to withdraw your money, so all your hard work doesn't go to waste. Here are the 5 steps you can take to make money watching YouTube videos. Step 1. Make a Google or YouTube account. Since you're watching this video on YouTube, you probably already have a YouTube account. You might want to make a secondary account for making money. It's super easy to make a second account. Just log out and go to Google search and type in "create a Google account" and press the first search result. Click on "For myself" to create a personal account. Type in your personal information, username, and password. Click Next until you reach the section on YouTube. This will automatically convert your Google account into a YouTube account, and you'll be ready for Step 2. Step 2. Create a Sprout Gigs account. Next, you will need to visit the website sproutgigs.com. Take a look around the website to get yourself more acquainted with the company. In a nutshell, Sprout Gigs connects businesses around the world with freelancers who complete easy-to-do tasks for the businesses. To create an account, click on the Sign Up button in the top right of your screen. Then you'll type in your real name, email, username, password, nickname, and the country that you will be working from. Sprout Gigs allows workers from all around the world. Then you will want to select that you are a worker and not an employer. Agree to the terms and click Sign Up. You will receive a verification email with a link that automatically signs you into Sprout Gigs to start browsing gigs. Before we go over the next step, don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-making tips. Thanks, and now for the next step so you can start making money watching YouTube videos. Step 3. Find YouTube microjobs. After creating your account, you will be brought to the main page for gigs. You can take a look at the gigs and see all the things you can do to make money on Sprout Gigs. There are endless opportunities for you to make money on this website if you're willing to put in the work. For the purpose of the video, we're going to go to the top of the page and click on Microjobs. Then you will want to click Find Jobs. Right away, you will see a lot of tasks that will earn you money. To find YouTube-related tasks, go to Category, select Video Marketing from the menu, and hit Apply. You'll see a lot of tasks that YouTube businesses want you to complete. Most of these tasks can be completed in under 2 minutes. Each task will show you how much you will be paid. Then you'll have to select the jobs that you like best. Step 4. Choose your tasks and complete them as required. Scroll through each option and choose the task you want to perform. Click that task to get started. If this is your first time completing a task, Sprout Gigs will ask you for some additional demographic information. Once you get past that, you will see the task requirements. For instance, this task is asking that you like a comment on a particular video. You don't even need to finish watching the video for this task. Simply copy the provided YouTube link, paste it into your web browser, and load the video's YouTube page. Then find the highlighted comment and like it. You're almost done with your first task. The final step is to provide proof of your work, just like in math class. Each task will have a section about the required proof. This task asks that you describe the comment that you liked. Simply read the comment and provide a brief description and then submit your work. That's it. You've completed the first task. You will see your money in the top right of your screen. When the task is approved, you will see the appropriate amount has been earned. You will also see your task interval reduced from 180 seconds to 170 seconds. Each successfully approved task will lower your interval time by 10 seconds. The lower your interval time, the faster you can complete tasks. Let's go over 2 more ways to make money watching YouTube videos through Sprout Gigs. You will see clients asking workers to leave comments on a YouTube video. To prove you have done this, these clients want to see a screenshot of your comment with your user profile shown in the top right. Make sure that your comment is relevant to the content of your video to get paid for the task. Clients who ask for subscriptions will also require a screenshot as proof. Sometimes you will be asked to show proof that you viewed the video for a specific number of frames. To do this, right-click on the video and click on Stats for Nerds before taking your screenshot. This will show the client the number of frames you have viewed. For each job, you'll upload your screenshot and any required fields and click Submit Proofs. Some jobs will ask you to complete a number of tasks. We advise that you skip these clients and focus on the jobs that you can complete in under 2 minutes. Remember, you're not getting paid very much for each job. The goal is to complete as many jobs as possible within an hour to make the process worth your time. Tasks come on a first-come, first-served basis. You will notice that some tasks can be put on hold for a small fee. While this might be worth it for higher-paying jobs, these micro-tasks aren't worth putting on hold. There's no reason to pay or delay. Simply complete the task and move on to the next one. Step 5. Check out other jobs on Sprout Gigs. Watching YouTube videos will start to get repetitive after a couple of hours. Likewise, you might run out of available clients after you've completed a number of jobs. While you're waiting, you can check out the wide variety of jobs available on the website. For instance, some clients want you to leave an honest review of a product on Amazon. Others want you to sign up for their service. Some tasks will pay $1 or more for a task that takes less than a minute. Once your task interval reduces to 0, you can theoretically make over $50 per hour completing tasks. This will depend on how fast you can navigate between tasks. Don't be too hard on yourself if you're slow at first. Over time, your speed should increase and you'll be completing dozens of jobs per hour. As you complete your tasks, you will build momentum and see your balance start to increase. That brings us to the most exciting step, getting paid. Step 6. Withdraw your money from Sprout Gigs. Once you've built up some money in your Sprout Gigs account, you will want to withdraw your hard-earned cash. Keep in mind these requirements for withdrawing your funds. 1. New users must wait at least 7 days before withdrawing funds. 2. You must bring your interval between tasks down to 0 before withdrawing. As mentioned, you do this by having your successfully completed tasks approved. Each approval will lower your interval time by 10 seconds. 3. You need a balance of at least $5 to withdraw. 4. Withdrawals take up to 10 business days to process depending on the method that you choose. Withdrawal methods include Bitcoin, PayPal, Skrill, and Uphold. This video is not sponsored by or affiliated with Sprout Gigs. We're simply letting you know about another way that people make money online. During our research, we found many websites that offered similar services that turned out to be scams. While Sprout Gigs appears to be legitimate, we encourage all viewers to do their own research. If you find any problem with the Sprout Gigs service, please let the community know down in the comments. We want to keep our viewers well informed with the most up-to-date information available. That's it. Follow these 6 simple steps to make money watching, liking, and commenting on YouTube videos. While you're at it, you can like and comment on this video and subscribe to the channel for more content. Until next time, thanks for watching.